In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to find trends on Redbubble. Moreover, I will tell you how to find designs that are selling. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Wish. I have making print on demand content. Moreover, I have been print on demand business more than a year. I have made over $12,000 in less than a year. So guys, before starting, hit that subscribe button and like is also appreciated. So guys, here I am on my PC. You just have to go to the Redbubble search bar and type here some alphabet like something A. I type here like this, and here it comes. And here the topics start coming in. You're also watching the trend signs here. These are all the trends which are good for your making designs, but you have to make sure that they are not copyrighted, because Redbubble don't like copyright content and they remove your design immediately. So be careful in it. Select any random one from all these. Now you have to look for the search results. If the search results are less than 1000, you can work on it, because there is less competition in this niche. Moreover, if you want to know how to find more hot trending topics, so you can also keep following me on my trends of the week videos. You can watch it up here. If you want to see which designs are more sold and which designs are more liked by the people or by the customers, so you have to go there and just select here the best selling designs. Now it showing you the designs which are bought by the customers and which are more seen by them. Moreover, you can also cross niche two trends. In coming videos I will tell you more about it. So how could you do that? You can cross niche two trending topics, just like there is a nursing niche and there is a cat niche, and you could submerge both niches, just like by saying that cats are something. You can make something like that, your nurse likes cats or something like this thing. You cross niche all the two trends and you can make one niche. This will help you get more traffic and more sales, because you are targeting two trends at the same time. So guys, this is it from my side. In the end, I would like to say, hit that like subscribe button, as it is very appreciated. And thanks and cheers.